First thing you gotta know is I used to work in fast foods and for a major fast food chain. Major. So, oh, now I know why they used to put shortening on the grills after when we closed down to season. But anyway, so here's the trick of scrambling eggs. One, you have to have some good shortening. I'm just gonna use some veggie oil. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, see how that veggie oil is just like, it's like kind of like, it's like, I don't know if you can see it now, but you're like beating it up. Anyway, it looks like it's gonna be non-stick, so I put a little, probably too much veggie oil in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scramble these eggs. So I got these eggs. Here's the trick to scrambling eggs, guys. Rubber spatula. This is the trick. Because you don't want to have so crappy, like real like omelet-like eggs. You want scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop these eggs in here. Oh, baby, this is too hot. Turn the heat down a little bit. I want to say at the fast food restaurant, I want to say it was 275 degrees. This is not totally non-stick, but eggs are, eggs are tough. The bottom part is non-stick. The sides are a little weak, but it's not bad. It's not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take these. But what they say when you season a wok, that the longer it goes, the better it gets, right? Because you keep on putting more and more layers of oil on there. But also, I'm trying to multitask. I'm trying to do this and talk at the same time. So the trick to scrambling eggs, you gotta make sure you keep them moving. We used to call it folding the eggs on top of each other. And so, okay, so I did that, and now I got some scramble. I'm gonna turn this off before I burn it. Okay, so. Okay, so the scrambled eggs are the bomb. I thank you for tuning in and watching this thing. Subscribe to my channel. What else? If you want to learn how to take care of a wok, I'm not going to tell you that because I don't even know. I'm going to look at some more videos to see how to take care of a wok. But all in all, not bad. Not bad. The videos online are pretty good. They're not as entertaining as my videos. But they just aren't. Because nobody is as entertaining as Scott Shimamoto. So www.scottshimamoto.com, scottshimamotocomic@gmail.com. Add me on Facebook, Instagram. You can find me. Look at my videos on YouTube. Peace. We're out here. Peace.